Hi, this is Aliyah. Let's continue the cookie series with a very popular cookie in east of Morocco, where my grandma is from. It's called Makrout. This cookie encompasses key Moroccan flavors, including dates, orange blossom water, and honey. Yum! So let's start! Step 1. Making the dough. First, dilute the saffron threads in the orange blossom water so they release their entire flavor. Place the semolina in a large plate and using the tips of your fingers, mix it with the softened butter until each grain of semolina is well coated. Add a little bit of the saffron orange blossom water to the semolina and mix well until you get a soft dough. Cover and let the dough rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Step 2. Making the date filling. Our secret ingredient is the koubeb spice. Here is koubeb whole to see how it looks like, but we are using it ground. If you don't have it, don't worry, just omit it. Add a pinch of the ground koubeb to the date paste and mix. You can also add some ground cinnamon. I already added it when preparing my homemade date paste. The filling is ready. Divide the date paste into 2 portions. Oil your hands and roll each portion into a log about the thickness of your finger. Step 3. Shaping the makrout. Take half of the dough and shape it into a log as long as the date paste log. Flatten the dough and insert the date paste log in the center. Pinch the dough around the date paste, then roll the entire log a few times on your workstation to seal it completely. Slice the log with diagonal cuts into bite-sized chunks. Use the tip of the knife to mark the top of each makrout. Step 4. Baking the makrout. Transfer the makrout on an oiled baking pan. Bake in a preheated oven to 360 Fahrenheit degrees, 180 Celsius degrees for around 30 to 40 minutes or until the makrout have a beautiful deep golden brown color. As soon as you remove the makrout from the oven, drizzle some honey on top when they are still hot. Let the makrout cool down for several hours before serving them. Bon appétit!